friends, Mara Jennifer. This is our hot cell 1.5 kilowatt wind turbine, and right now you can see it can running on 2 meters per second. And if you have wind like here, you can install this wind turbine. You can get 7 plus 24 hours free energy for your home. Right now you buy, we also give one free MPPT controller. It's suitable for 12, 24, 48 options for you as well. Right now we have stock in Poland, USA, German, Russian. So if you are from this area, talk with us. If you are not from here, we also could ship from China. So welcome partners, talk with us. You can see it's running quite good.